Alright, we got the top holiday gifts here at the Lobes. They're talking about tools and just general stuff you guys could give out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys don't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. 99. Talking about gifts, this is a great gift. $99. This is an all complete kit. Um, impact driver, battery, and charger. All right, so this is the gift center. 998 for the pliers, and all they have left is this one. This one's great stocking stuffers. Obviously buy one of each, get that nice set there. 29.98 for the screwdrivers and 7.98 for the multi-bit screwdriver. All right, so you do have some precision screwdrivers, some offsets, and this is the 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. It's already included in there. Got a 14.98 for the metal sawhorse. Pretty decent. I mean, it's not going to be the nicest thing out there, but it does the job. I'm pretty sure. 6.98 high visibility fiberglass hammer. If you guys have a hard time finding your tools, get something like this. It'll pop out in your toolbox. All right, so 17.98 easy grip tape measure. There's a 25 footers. These are nice rubber. It does have rubber overmold. $98 for the VersaStack system. These are two boxes. They're already sold out, but there's pretty decent two boxes for the homeowner. I got $39.98 for this bit set. It's pretty nice for you guys doing woodworking and stuff like that. You got a whole bunch of different bit socket adapters and magnetic sleeves and stuff. $24.98 down from $39.98. This is actually not bad. It's 106 piece. It does include a lot of bits, including drill bits, spade bit set or bits, and then you got some. It looks like some drywall bits there. Some nut drivers, tic tac Ks, some more 1-inch bits, whole bunch of 1-inch bits. Phillips, stars, flats. $14.98 for the 65 piece bit set. We'll go over it in a second because it was on the back. $54.98 for or $64.98 for the 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch or 3/8 torque wrench. These are manual and does have some nice rubber grips, as you guys did see. Really nice finish, chrome finish, or brushed chrome finish. $24.98 for the 4-volt rotor bit set, or $29.98 for the for this one. It does include some bits or some accessories, so you guys get ready to hang up a kit basically. USB charger, pivoting, LED light, pretty nice. And it does have all these features, battery status, all that stuff, all the things that a power tool should have. $19.98 for the 7-piece combination wrench set, either SAE or metric. Pretty nice. Overall, pretty decent quality on these. Not bad at all. That's great low budget, entry level type of stuff. It'll get the job done basically. $19.98 for the 1/4 inch nano set, 20 piece. This is a great for a smaller vehicle. If you have a motorcycle and side by side, or something smaller, and you need something just have as an emergency, maybe a battery change or something like that. $14.98 for the hex key set, and $19.98. So this is the 20 piece. And then you got the screwdriver bit set here with the bit set. It is stack pack compatible. All right, so you got the hex key sets, 23 piece, or this 25 piece. I do prefer this one actually, because I'll probably lose the other ones. It's overall pretty decent finish. As you guys do see, pretty nice finish. And these do last. I bought some from Harbor Freight, and they do not last. They fall apart all the time. Here's a 23 piece, and then here's the 29.88 for the 22 piece accessory kit. Now this one's very something you should have in every toolbox. You got different adapters, like from 1/2 inch to a 3/8 and 1 inch and 3/4 and all that stuff. So all the adapters there and extensions. So $19.98 down from $39.98. This is actually a pretty decent kit. Does include a lot of sockets, a ratchet, and a couple extensions there. All right, $69.98 for the brushless cordless circular saw. And then you got the batteries there, pretty decent deals on those 6 amp hours and 8 amp hours. All right, so let's look at the circular saw, the price that it was before. So $79.98. So you are saving yourself $10 on this one from the previous new lower price. You got some Tic Tac case, nut drivers, 2-inch bits, and 3-inch bits there. Magnetic sleeve and some 1-inch bits, $14.98. Not bad. That's the one that we saw earlier. This is the other side of it, kind of hidden. $19.98 for the 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. So this is great for smaller projects. I ended up picking this up. We'll be making a video on it, see if it's actually worth the $20. Now keep in mind this is for smaller stuff. This is for keeping in a drawer, a junk drawer, and just messing with the electrical outlets and smaller screws and stuff around the house. $19.98 for the 18-piece screwdriver bits or screwdriver set. This one's a really nice set. It's on offset screwdrivers. Really nice grips on those screwdrivers, if you guys do see, and some precision screwdrivers. They are labeled in color. So $15.98 for the 3-piece groove joint pliers set. I do have these. These things are a beast. They're really nice. I really like the handles on those. Nice rubber handles. Same thing with this 20-ounce hammer, $19.98. Very decent quality. Especially those rubber handles, they do help a lot on the hands. Especially when it gets really hot or really cold climate. Alright, so $27.98 for the work light and $49.98 for the clamp light. These are both rechargeable. This one's 625 lumen. These are great gifts, guys. Great stocking stuffers. If you guys are getting out toolboxes and stuff, throw one of these in there if you want to, make it a bigger gift or just something else to open up. Here's $24.98 for the 5-piece plier set. Now this one comes down to around $5 a piece, so this is a pretty decent deal, pretty good quality. $14.98 for the 2-piece combo lockback knife. It's kind of like a fastback style. This one's all inclusive. It does have some 50 blades already included. So this is a very complete kit. It does have, I really like the camel finish on that one. And then this one's a 3-piece. So if you got somebody that, has 3 different vehicles, 3 different toolboxes, throw one on each toolbox or each tool bag. Why not? $14.98 for the 16-ounce smooth steel hammer. This is new lower price. All right, so this one, pretty decent finish. It is kind of like on the a little bit, prosumer pro level. Same thing with this one, hickory hammer, 20-ounce. This one's $14.98 down from $24. It's not bad at all. It does have a rubber handle, even if it's wood. So something I haven't seen in other brands. All right, so you got some tough build, $14.98 and $14.98 for the level. Now this is the tape measure. This does have a secret feature. I'll show you guys that right now. Really nice, really easy to read. If you guys, it is labeled on both sides, but if you guys look at the bottom, it does have a button there. So you guys can actually hold it and then release it, and very, very convenient. $19.98 for the 3-in-1 folding utility knife, and then $9.98 for the subcompact folding knife. It's a fastback style, the other one. Now this one does have storage. It says it does have a pry bar with storage. 3 blades included in there. And the other one's a fastback style, pretty much like a press a button and unfold, or on, unwind, whatever you want to call that. $24.98 for the 200-piece Dremel, and $29.98 for the 6-piece blade set, Dremel multi-tool. I call it multi-tool, but they call it a different name, multi-Dremel or something like that. It's a weird name that they call it. This is actually the original multi-tool. Alright, so this is the 200-piece set. It's pretty nice if you guys have somebody that does smaller crafts. $29.98 for these sawhorses. These are really nice. I think these are actually nicer than the Craftsman's. Alright, so $89.98 for somebody that loves the knives and the blades and all that stuff. This is a knife sharpener. Or somebody that cooks. Why not? Makes their steaks and everything outside, and they like to keep their knives really sharpened. Not bad at all. Or their machete, whatever they have. This is nice. Alright, so $24.98 for the 276-piece rotary tool. $29.98 for the oscillating 10 piece. Not bad at all from the Jorgensen. 276 piece. This is a very, very complete kit. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff inside. $39.98 for the 1,500 pound parallel clamps. These are metal clamps with some plastics and rubber handles. $14.98 with the Ox Tools Pro stuff. Carbon pencils. They do come with the LEDs. And this is extra. You guys want to buy extra. And then you got the Armor Off floor protectors for the trucks and SUVs. If you guys work, out on the fields and stuff like that, you don't want to clean that carpet. Well, here you go. $27.98. I do have something similar to that in my truck. It works pretty good. $12.98 and $99 for the brushless drawer driver kit. Now this is the bit set. Got some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits, and a magnetic sleeve. Alright, so $9.98 for the 30-piece fastening sets. Pretty decent. And $9.98 for the drilling. Alright, so you got a Cooler Pro wireless speaker system, $49.98. Now I don't know exactly if you actually plug this in or if it's charged, or if it's rechargeable. Don't know exactly how this thing works, but let us know in the comment section if you guys know anything about this or any other tool. If you like it or if you don't like it. Now I do personally have something like this, very similar. I do have the 52-inch. This one's $3.99. That's actually not bad at all. But you guys could wait, because sometimes you'll see them even lower. But this is $4.49 down from $5.39. It's actually not bad at all. And I do like it. Pretty decent quality for the house. If you're an automotive technician, I would do not recommend these. But for the house, garage, it's very, very decent. You got the Weed Whacker kit. That is a brushless for $179 down from $199. And then you got the regular one for $129, which is the lower tier. This is for a really small yard. Now check this out, guys. Simpson 3100 psi gas powered pressure washer, $143 down from $359. Guys, make sure you guys take a look at the power washing section. It looks exactly like this, but it is 3100 psi. That is a killer smoking deal. Yeah, if you can get that for that price. They did not have any here, but I'm pretty sure whoever got it got really lucky. Alright, so $367 down from $14. The mesh gloves. So this is it right here, down from $14.98. This is actually a pretty nice pair, especially with the winter season. Always nice to have something to wear. Pretty nice colors. I really like the color. You can blend them in with your regular clothes. $12.98 for the peg board organizer, 43 piece. So if you got somebody that has a garage or maybe a trailer or something you want to get organized. You got some screwdrivers here for the electrician. Cushion grip, $34.98. And they got $29.98 for this bionic spotlight. And then this is LED or solar powered. Motion activated as well. The whole 9 yards. And then you got a headlight. This is like a LED bar. Very inexpensive, and it seems like it does illuminate all the front, kind of like a 180 degree. You got the battery storage system. This is from the Battery Daddy. I personally do have one of these. I use it organized. Alright, so if you guys got rental properties, if you guys would just be on the lookout for something for these things, $14.98 and $21.99 for down from $43, so about 50% off on those. There's a lot more, guys. I did not list them because you guys would get bored. You got the buy one get one free. Buy that starter kit, get a free tool. Those tools are not brushless, but I would definitely jump on that ratchet. That is one of the ones I would pick. Alright, so $59. You got the oscillating tool or the drill driver impact driver. Those are power cord 12. Those are 12-volt tools, very compact, very lightweight. Here's an example how small this thing is. I'm pretty sure it does pack a punch. So it does have a lot of power inside. Very, very small. You can see my hand's actually bigger than this thing. And then for something with a little bit more power, you got the Cobalt brushless. That is the 24 volts. This was $99. Get a free tool with the select purchase. So anyone DeWalt, Cobalt, or Craftsman. Alright guys, there's a killer deal out there. Not a lot of stores have these in stock. But check this out. This is the miter saw 779. But if you guys look at online, guys, there's a buy one get one free for $4.99. So definitely jump on this one, guys. Not necessarily in the store, but you guys could probably get that online. So jump on that online. You got the Craftsman V20 combo kits. Get a free 4 amp hour battery. Not bad at all. Get a free gift. A 61 piece mechanics tool set. $39.98. Guys, be on the lookout on these because I believe they're made in the USA on clearance. You got some big kits with a really small price out there in every store. I've seen posts that you guys have done on the Facebook groups, the two Facebook groups. Make sure you guys take a look at those those clearance deals. There's a lot of good ones. This one's actually not bad. It is down from 99 to 79, and then this one's down from 13 to 12.98. 13.98, so basically $1 off. Still pretty decent. All right, and then you got this power inverters, 300 watt. If you guys got these batteries, these 40-volt batteries, I do have them personally, but this is actually a pretty nice thing. Make those batteries useful. $14.98 for the 24-in-1 screwdriver precision, and it does have a precision screwdriver, so that's pretty nice. All right, so $90 down from $149. It's a Bosch compact router, not bad at all. All right, and then this bit set, pretty inexpensive, $8.98, 47-piece screwdriver bit set from Craftsman's. Got some 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits there on the left, Robertson's, some nut drivers, and some socket adapters. Pretty nice, guys. Something that catch my attention. This is something new. This is a folding rack shelf. So I guess you guys are able to fold it if you guys keep like a trailer. Utility trailer, if you guys do, obviously on the job site, or if in the garage, if you want to keep a couple of these and save some space, you guys could stock up on these flex stack packs and stick them in there and organize it for the trailer. I will say mostly for a trailer this would work, because if you guys don't have that there, you guys are able to fold those down and get that bigger space. 70-pound load capacity, versatile mounting. All right, so buy one get one free. You buy that $199, get a free tool. Get the $299 power stacks and get a free tool, or that $449 what is that, 4 tool combo kit, get 2 free tools. All right, they do have safes. I did not go over the safes today. I did go over them last time, but I did find this, guys. $199. This is a killer deal. Not the one on the bottom, but this one. This is an 18-bolt nail gun kit. Definitely check it out. Guys, lots of good deals. There's a lot of good gifts to choose from. Make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel. Obviously, subscribe. Help the channel out by subscribing and by not missing out on any of the future power tool deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.